Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm doing a foundation review of the Black Opal powder foundation. If that's something you'd like to see, please stick around for that. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button before you start. Do not watch this video before you subscribe, okay? Click the subscribe button and join the Peace family. And without further ado, let's get onto the video. So because I do not have a primer, I am using the powder before foundation step, and this will help my makeup not to get oily quickly. And I'm using this powder I got from Linton's. It was on sale. It's an Indian company. So I'm dabbing the powder all over my face, especially in the areas where I know my face gets oily quickly, and this will help my foundation not to get oily. And yeah. Now onto the foundation of today. I'm using the Black Opal True Color Pore Perfectioning foundation. It's a powder foundation and it's in shade 640, which is Suede Mocha. Now because this is a stick foundation, it is very difficult to apply. That is the worst I hate about it. It's my shade color, but applying it's so hard. Blending it is so hard because it's a powder stroke cream foundation. Yeah, so this foundation is for oily stroke normal skin, so if you have either, you can use it. Also the foundation says that it mattifies your skin, and it minimizes the appearance of pores. So I was really curious to see if that would happen with this foundation, but because it's a powder foundation, I think it really helps with mattifying your face. Because my face is oily, I feel like it really worked for that. And about minimizing the pores, I don't think so, because I have very enlarged pores, especially on my cheeks, but I don't feel the foundation works on that. Especially because it's a powder foundation and blending it is so hard, and you cannot even apply a lot of it, so the coverage will be a problem. So if you're looking for a foundation that is full coverage, this is not it. It will not give you full coverage, but I like it because it also gives you a very natural looking appeal. Like it gives you look like you're glowing, like that's your skin. You can't even know it's the foundation you're wearing. Anyway, I'm doing the rest of my face. Here I'm just contouring with my previous Fit Me foundation, and then highlighting. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Toast, and I'm just highlighting my face, and then I'm going to blend. Now guys, if you want your makeup to look flawless, you have to really take time to blend that in. Make sure that everything meshes together. Unfortunately for this foundation, it's so hard to blend, as I have said. I don't think I'm going to purchase another one, unfortunately, but yeah, that is the current situation. Now I'm using the same powder to set everything together. I'm not going to be baking today, so I am okay. I am going to dab it everywhere to set everything together. Now onto my eyes, I am using this Any Lady palette, and I am using the brown shade on my crease. So I'm going to blend that with my fingers around the crease area and also at the top of the crease. Guys, what I am touching now is called the crease. And then I'm also applying a little bit on my eyelid. Then I'm using the reddish brownish color, that one, and I'm using it on my eyelid. So that will just create like base for the shimmery shade I'm going to use after this. So to add some shimmer, I'm using the gold shade, this one, and I'm applying it on my eyelid to add some shimmer and some shine, and my eyes are going to really pop when I do this. Guys, remember, blend, blend, blend. Then I'm using this dark shade to smoke my eye out. It's called actually smoking your eye out, guys. It's not even a lie. And this gives your eye some nice feel, as in your eye doesn't look very plain. If you want a more detailed eye look, please check out Joanna Kinogia for more. Thank you very much. On to the next step, I'm going to line my lower lash line with this kajal. It's just a basic kajal. I like it because it's very, very dark. Onto mascara. I like mascara so much. I think this is like an everyday look. So I do the mascara, and the mascara just helps your lashes to pop. They look fuller. They look like they are very big, but they're not as big. And yeah. Now onto the lips, I'm using a red shade from the same palette I used on my eyes. And I'm just applying it on my lips, blending it with my fingers. And then I'm going to use a shimmer color. And this will just make my lips pop. You're going to see it soon. Yeah, that's the shimmer I was talking about. I love this look so much. I am so obsessed. It's my everyday look. Oh my god. Then I am highlighting at the top of my lip. It's called the Cupid's bow. Yeah, I'm highlighting like that, and then the look is done. Onto the setting spray, I'm using the Clean Color Pro Sealer, and the setting spray helps your makeup to set together. If it was looking a bit cakey, it actually cools down, and it looks very cute. Now onto my hair, I am using the Organics growth oil on my edges before I do use the gel. I'm using the gel called the Costyla Common Gel. So before I use that I am using the Organics growth oil on my edges because I'm trying to grow my edges back and to make them look thicker. And that is the final look. She's looking cute. Aww. I'm just wearing this Ankara top that I got made by a tailor, and some jeans and some heels, and I was set for Unleashed album launch by Fena. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to click that subscribe button. Help me grow my channel, and I will really appreciate it. Anyways, until next time, choose kindness. Bye.